What's up, guys?
Sorry.
Why am I on the roof? Okay, what's up, guys? Here in the video today, and we are here with Alex. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down to Haunted Mansion. Oh, and by the way, I unlocked these yesterday. Yay! Yeah. Thanks for 70 subscribers, though. Thanks. So, yeah. Now we're gonna go down to Haunted Mansion. I know exactly where it is. Okay, fine.
And I don't. So, because I
Ready?
don't really play the game much.
Whee! Oh, you're up there. Alright, come on. Come on. Come on. Where are you going?
Okay.
Come on.
Haunted Mansion's over here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ow.
Sorry. Wait, Rowie.
Yeah? What?
There, look. We can eat bananas.
You can't
We can
eat
eat
them.
bananas.
You can't eat them. You can't eat them.
That's really nice.
Ready? Go.
Should I bring this flashlight with me?
No, because I know exactly where it is, so we're good. Alright, come on.
Oh yeah, because the ghost. Oh boy!
It's just left.
Oh,
Go,
chicken.
get to the roof, get to the roof. Roof! Alright, now follow me. It's just this way. Coming? Alright, yeah. Come on.
Bro, that guy's such a fatty.
I know. So come down here. It's just go straight. Go straight. Ow. Go straight.
Sorry.
Just keep on going straight. You should get to it.
Angler fish, where are you?
I'm here. Keep on going. Yeah.
There.
Keep on going straight. Yeah.
Yo, this is Haunted Mansion.
Do you know where the key is?
No.
Okay.
It's always in different spawns.
Stick to the roof. When you get in, go to the roof. Alright, come on. Let's go this way first. Yeah.
This is the scariest place ever.
Stick to the roof, boy. Alright. Where are you?
Where are you?
I'm here.
I'm off the roof.
Yeah, where? Oh, yeah, look.
Oh, right here. You're right here. Where? Oh.
Come on.
Oh!
What?
Oh, crown up.
Ow. Yeah, just keep on looking for. Stick to the roof. They can't get you. No keys. Look for doors.
Open every room.
Yeah. Only the white doors open. Oh, found it.
Wait, what?
Found it. It's here.
Oh.
Ow. Put the key on your hip slot. Put the key on your hip slot.
There's 2 keys.
Where?
Look, there's one here.
Oh yeah. We keep that there for next run. Alright, come on. Put the key on your hip slot and then let's get out.
Yes.
Come on. Alright. Throw it in quick.
What?
Quick. Down here.
Where are you?
Down here. You have to throw it in the
right
door. Quick. Oh my god. Finally. That took forever. Alright, come on.
Oh my god.
Stuck.
I'm scared. Rowie, what is this?
Mine the crystals. Mine the crystals. Yeah, don't
It's hurting me.
go off the metal. You will die. Yeah, don't go out of the. Don't go in this site. Don't go in the site. Just stay on the metal. Don't do anything else, but just stay on the metal. Stay on the metal.
Where are you?
I'm coming up. Look, wait, what? Look, stay on the metal so you don't die. Yes, stay on the metal so you don't die. Did you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Then don't go on the metal. Well, stay on the metal, but don't leave the sight of the metal.
Ow!
That's what I said. Then stop going to the... Oh my god.
Where are you?
I'm mining. I'm coming up to find you. I'm here.
Bro, we're
Just
here.
stay on this.
You hurt me a lot. Look at all my blood.
Yeah, I know. Just stay on this. You'll be fine. We need to mine.
How come you don't? Oh.
Because I'm on the metal.
Get up. Get this one. Get this one.
You do know you have a nut
Get that
shredder too.
Wait, what?
You have a nut shredder on your back.
Oh.
Break it. I'll collect first, bro. No, you have to mine it. Oh my god. Mine this first. Mine it.
I can't get it off my hip slot.
Cause you have to grab. Oh my god. You have to like actually look down and grab. Yeah. Now mine it.
Let me not shred this one. Let me not shred this one.
Alright. No, my grappler.
I'll give you it. I'll give you it. Oh, no. Yes. Is there any more? No, there's not.
I'll mine it. Didn't
Get that one.
any damage. Got it. Alright, come on.
Let's go.
We have to wait for them to respawn. Oh.
Oh. No, my grappling hook.
Yeah, be careful.
Okay, there.
So yeah, in the video we're just going to Haunted Mansion. Mine it. Mine it. Be careful!
No.
Use your grappler!
I don't have my grappler.
You do!
Oh my god.
Use your grappler!
Oh my god.
What?
I'm still with the 1 health.
Alright, so
my
do you want to get out of here?
Yes.
So follow me, stick on this if you don't want to die. Ow. So yeah, don't jump either. So come down these stairs. Alright, this is kind of the tricky bit, but stick on the metal. Know what I mean? Yeah, it's like that.
Tricky.
It's the trickiest part.
What do you mean tricky?
Alright, now you just want to grapple down. No, don't go all the way down into the black hole. We just mine.
Why?
Just mine.
Okay.
No! I'm okay. Yeah, keep on mining. I'm here. We just keep on mining. Oh no, it doesn't matter. There's more. But the blue ones, get as much as the blue ones as possible. Because they're worth a lot.
Why?
Because they're worth more. They're like 600. I can't. Have you ever been to Haunted Mansion? Alex,
Yeah?
have you ever been to Haunted Mansion?
No.
So this is your first time?
Yes.
I grab a blue.
No.
Like, when you get it, like, grab it.
Where the hell is my ticket?
It's, I don't know. It's probably gone. It's alright. I'm gonna mine until I'm full, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, I'm just gonna learn by skill because I'm getting really good.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Because you're kind of new at the game, because you don't know.
I'm so I can get better after all.
And Animal Country. It's okay, it's okay.
Okay, grapple no. Okay, I grappled up.
It honestly doesn't matter if you go into the black hole.
Okay, I got something.
Alright.
Let me pick up one.
When my things fall, you can pick up some. No, my pickaxe, where'd it go?
Oh my god. I know it's gone. Keep going.
Alright, come down.
Good.
My eyes. Alright. So, look. Do you want to grab onto the bridge and swing? My eyes. Did you do it? Just go into the black hole.
Bro, where are you?
Go inside the black hole in the sky.
Okay.
It teleports you back to spawn.
Okay.
How long does it take? Hurry up.
I died. Rowie.
You died.
I accidentally died.
Okay, that's okay. Can I have another pickaxe, please? Actually, before you do anything, let me sell this. It's not full. It's not full. But
How much money do we get?
it's not a lot because we didn't fill it up. But it's not that much, but it's not that much.
It's fine. 6,000.
Do you want to go?
Join code Scoopy. We're gonna get money.
Okay. That's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Bye.